What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another Lil Durk video, and in my last couple of videos on him, I talked about how the prosecution wanted to use his lyrics and visuals as evidence. Well, on Friday, the judge finally ruled on this motion, so let's find out what happened. Let's get into this Billboard article now. As Lil Durk's federal trial on M for Hire charges nears, a judge has ruled that prosecutors can introduce some lyrics that allegedly show the Chicago rapper's motive for placing a bounty on rival Quando Rondo. Judge Michael W. Fitzgerald issued a key ruling on Friday, February 13th, establishing parameters for the upcoming April trial of the rapper Durk Banks, as several members from his Only the Family OTF crew, who allegedly pow-powed Rondo at a Los Angeles gas station in 2022. Rondo Taekwon Bowman was ultimately unscathed, but his friend Lil Pap Savea Robinson was unalived in the crossfire. The decision allows prosecutors to present the jury with lyrics from two successful Lil Durk songs: his Nardo Wick collaboration Who Wants Smoke, which peaked at number 5 on Billboard's Hot R&B/Hip Hop Songs chart in 2021, and Aha, which hit number 4 on Hot R&B/Hip Hop Songs in 2022. Judge Fitzgerald ruled that both of these songs contain lyrics about a key disputed question in the case: whether Durk, who was not present at the Rondo pow-powing, ordered the violence in retaliation for the 2020 unaliving of his close friend and collaborator King Von, Davon Bennett. Durk denies that he was involved. In Who Wants Smoke, Durk rap: "They be on my page like Sly for Von. I know they trolling me. Got it back in blood. Y'all just don't know that's how it's supposed to be." And on Aha, he raps: "Don't respond to ish with Von. I'm like, F it. You tripping, go get your gun. They dropping locations, I'm getting it done. F tweeting, we sliding, the feds are coming." The court agrees that these lyrics are relevant for the stated purposes of showing motive, wrote the judge. The discussion of violence in conjunction with getting revenge for Vaughn makes the evidence more probative than prejudicial in this instance. Judge Fitzgerald also determined that the jury can hear some lyrics showing the tight bond between Durk and the OTF member D-Ski, DeAndre Wilson, who is also a defendant in the case. But he barred prosecutors from introducing other rap lyrics that merely depict OTF as violent without any real connection to the facts of the case. The government had wanted, for example, to play part of the 2023 song Beverly Hills, in which Durk raps: "Before they spin, told the tents darker. Fool his ass. He think we buying some cars, we hop out, scoom his ass." Prosecutors argued these lyrics told the story of the Rondo shooting, but Judge Fitzgerald was unconvinced. There is no inference that the lyrics here are autobiographical of the events involved in these charges. Indeed, as Durk points out, there is virtually no evidence of the timing of when these lyrics were written or even recorded, wrote the judge. There is certainly a danger of unfair prejudice given the content of the lyrics, which here explicitly reference committing acts of violence apart from the probative value. This is not the first time the question of Durk's lyrics has come up in this case. When prosecutors initially charged and arrested the rapper in 2024, they included lyrics from the song Wonderful Wayne and Jackie Boy in the indictment. The government claimed these lyrics described the Rondo pow-powing, but they ultimately deleted the reference after Durk's lawyers pointed out that the song was written months before the incident. The use of rap lyrics as evidence in criminal cases is controversial, with critics arguing that it threatens free speech and injects racial bias into legal proceedings. Several states have banned or limited this practice for local prosecutions. It's still legal in federal court, though, where Durk will be tried. A rep for the prosecution declined to comment on the matter on Tuesday, February 17th. Durk's lawyer did not immediately return a request for comment. The rapper's trial is scheduled to begin on April 21st in Los Angeles. So what do you guys think? Do you agree with the judge ruling? Do you agree with him using lyrics from those two songs versus other songs that the prosecutors couldn't link to the alleged crimes? I mean, personally, I'm a person that feels like lyrics shouldn't be used as evidence at all, because I think that it's a very slippery slope. I mean, here the prosecutors were trying to include song lyrics that had absolutely nothing to do with this alleged crime, and I think that it just kind of poisons the jury against the defendant. And sometimes lyrics are just purely entertainment. They're not autobiographical. Not everything that somebody raps about happened in real life. So I don't think that it's fair to use lyrics as evidence. But you guys let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will continue to follow this case, so if you guys are interested, then go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.